Hi, this is Nujat Anjum. In this class, we will discuss about the first unit of the organic chemistry, that is organic halogen compounds. In organic halogen compounds, we will discuss three types of the organic halogens. The first one is alkyl halides, and the second one is alkenyl halides, the third one is acyl halides. We will discuss one by one all the three organic halides with definition and example. The first one is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means here the alkyl group which is attached to the halogen atom. Here what happens, the carbon atom which is present in the alkyl group, for example CH3, it is an alkyl group. Here the carbon atom which is present in this alkyl group is attached to any halogen atom, that is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. Then this compound is called as alkyl halide. Look at here, here methyl group which is attached to the chlorine atom. That's why the name of this compound is methyl chloride. It is the example for the alkyl halides. And here the ethyl group which is attached to the bromine atom, and here ethyl bromide compound is formed. The one thing is, in alkyl halides the carbon atom which is attached to the halogen atom which is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here Rx, it is the general formula of the alkyl halide, and here the bond between carbon and halogen, that is CX bond. This is the functional group of the alkyl halides. Here R which represents the alkyl group, any alkyl group which is represented by R, and X which is represented by the halogen atom, that is chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. This is about the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means the carbon atom which is present in the alkyl group which is bonded to the any halogen atom, then this is known as alkyl halides. The second point is alkenyl halides. Alkenyl halides means here the carbon atom which is present in the alkenyl group or alkene group which is bonded to the halogen atom. Here carbon atom which is present in the alkenyl group or alkene group which is bonded to the halogen atom. Then this type of organic halogen compound is called alkenyl halides. Here this is the general formula for the alkenyl halides. This is an alkene. Here these three are the hydrogen atoms. Here also be one hydrogen atom is there. This is the formula of the ethene. Here what happens, if the bond between one carbon and hydrogen atom breaks and this hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine atom, then this compound is called as alkenyl halide. If the one hydrogen atom which is present in the alkenyl group or alkene group which is attached to the any halogen, not only chlorine, if it is attached to the bromine, then it is also be an example for the alkenyl halides. And the general formula of the alkenyl halide is RCX double bond R. It means the carbon atom which is having double bond. The carbon atom which is having double bond, if it is attached to the any halogen atom, then this carbon atom, then this group is called alkenyl halide group. This is the general formula of the alkenyl halides. Here also be R it is alkyl group and X it is the halogen atom. Now the third point is acyl halides. Acyl halide means, here one thing we will be remember, that is acyl group it is the acyl group it is the derivative of the acyl halides are the derivative of the carboxylic acids. They are also called acid derivatives. Acyl halides are also called acid derivatives. We know the structural formula of the carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH. If the bond between carbon and hydroxyl group, if it is breaks and this hydroxyl group is replaced by, this group is replaced by any halogen atom, that is here the hydroxyl group is replaced by the halogen atom, then this compound is called acyl halides. It means the acyl halides are the derivative of carboxylic acids, hence it is also called as acid derivatives. Look at here. Here what happens, this is the acetyl chloride. The name of this compound is acetyl chloride. Here what happens, the acetic acid, formula of the acetic acid is CH3COOH. Here this hydroxyl group is replaced by chloride ion. That's why this is the acetyl chloride. This is the structure of acetyl chloride and this is called as acetyl halides. This is the one of the best example for the acetyl halides. Here this is general formula for the acetyl halide. I already told acetyl halide are the derivative of the carboxylic acid RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid. Here what happens? Here this hydroxyl groups is replaced by the halogen atom, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine or fluorine. Any halogen atom is replaced by the hydroxyl group, then this compound is called as acetyl halide. That's why this is the general formula of the acetyl halides. This is general formula of acetyl halide. Look at here also be R it is the alkyl group and X it is the halogen atom, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. These are the halogens and we already know halogens are the group 17 elements. This is about acetyl groups, organic halogen compounds, that is alkyl groups, alkenyl groups and acetyl groups. In our next class we will discuss about the classification of alkyl halides and SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Okay, thank you.